Hi, hello everyone. In this video, I would like to explain about find, replace and go to. So while editing the Microsoft Word document, these three options are very important and we use these three options very frequently. So while editing the Microsoft Word document. So let us see one by one. First of all, let us see what is find when it is needed. The purpose of the option find is, suppose you have typed a paragraph. In that paragraph, suppose you have typed a word incorrectly. That means spelling mistake. You have typed. Suppose the paragraph is of 200 lines. In that 200 lines, you have typed a word incorrectly. After completion of your task, then you have realized that the correct meaning of that word. You have realized that correct meaning of after completion of that 100 lines typing. Now your requirement is, where is that word in the 100 lines paragraph? You have to find where is that word and where I have typed incorrect spelling. Now you want to find. At these situations, we have to go for find option. Okay, now let us see the example. By that you can understand the concept clearly. Here you observe, here I have taken three paragraphs. I have typed three paragraphs. Here, suppose I want to find out a word. I want to find out a word. Okay, by using find option. The find option is available in, you observe here, home tab, editing group is there. In home tab, editing group is there. In that editing group, you observe this find. See here. This is the find option. So by using this option, we can find a letter or a word or a sentence in a Microsoft Word document. Okay, right. Now let us find. Okay, while find or while searching a word or a letter, okay, in Microsoft Word document, so we have to keep the cursor at the starting point. While doing this option, remember we have to keep the cursor at the starting point and click on find. So whenever you click on find, automatically here a navigation pane is appear. Left side of the Microsoft Word window, you will observe a navigation pane, and in this box we have to type which word you want to search. Okay, for example, here I want to search the the, where it is in these three paragraphs. Just type here the. See, observe here, automatically it is showing. Okay, if you want to search another word, just type here, for example, R. See here, we can find in this way whatever we want in the document, which word or which sentence or which letter. If we want to find, yes, we can find by using this find option. Okay, right. Now you observe here I have find a or let us see, for example, the the. I want to find out the. Okay, right. Next option is replace. Here now my requirement is, I want to replace the words where we have the word the. In place of that word, I want to replace with, for example, X. I want to replace with X. That is the purpose of replace. Replace is nothing but we are replacing a word or a letter in place of with some other letter or word. Here my requirement is I am replacing the with a letter X, or we can replace with some other word also, but here I am replacing with X. Okay, so for that purpose we have a option that is called as replace. It is also in home tab. in editing group. Okay, so now let us see here. Here we have, see here, this is the replace option. See here, here we have to click for replace a letter or a word in the Microsoft Word document. Okay, so we have to click here, replace. See here, here you are observing find what means which word you want to replace. Yes, the replace with. Okay, here we have to type actually if you want to replace with X, or if you want to replace with Y, or if you want to replace with some other word also. Okay, for example, I am replacing here, we will replace with computer. For example, computer, COMPUTER, computer you type. Okay, and you observe the options here, replace, replace all. What happen if you click on replace? One word it is replaced. If you click on replace all means at a time all the are replaced with the computer. See here, replace. See here, the is there in the place of the here computer is K. Okay, see here, the computer is there. Here you observe here, the is there na. Click on replace computer. You click on replace all, automatically all the are replaced with computer. See here, replace all. Now you observe. That means 24 replacements were made. That means in the 3 paragraphs, complete the words are 24. In that, computer is replaced. That's it is showing. Total the words are 24. In that the words, the computer is replaced. See here. This is about, we observe here, computer. Okay, this is about replace. Replace is nothing but we are replacing a word with another word, or we can also replace a letter with another letter. Okay, right. So now we have completed find and replace. The last option is go to. Okay, now let us see go to. So go to is nothing but, see in Microsoft Word document we have status bar. The last bar is status bar. In the status bar, see here the last bar here. In this, here page 1 of 16 is there. That means in this document we have taken how many pages? 16 pages we have taken. This is about the total pages, and this one is about the currently in which page you are. See here, we are in the first page. Currently we are in the first page, and the total pages in the document is 16 pages. See here, 1 of 16 means this 16 is the total pages and 1 is the current page. Right. Right now we are in the first page. Now my requirement is I want to go to the 10th page. I want to go to the 10th page. Yes, we can go with by mouse scrolling. See here, this is the first page. This is the second page. You observe here. I have kept the cursor in second page. That's why it is showing second page. 12 page 16. If you want to go to third page, we have to scroll the mouse. Click here. This is the third page. Like that we can go, but it takes time. See, again we have entered in the first page. It is showing status bar first page. Go to is nothing but we can directly jump from one page to another page very easily. So right now we are in the first page. I want to go to the 10th page directly. Okay, without scrolling the mouse. For that purpose, again we have to click on this replace. Okay, click on find. After that you have to click on replace. In the replace, beside this one is go to option. You observe go to. Okay, this is the option go to. Okay, so we have to click here go to. Here first option you observe page. The first option is page here. Okay, which page? Enter the page number. Suppose right now we are in the first page. You observe here in the status bar. So I want to jump to the 10th page. See here, just enter here 10 and click on go to. I'm closing this one. You observe here. So we have entered into the 10th page. See here. 10 of 16 means the total pages are 16, and right now we are in the 10th page. That means we have entered into the 10th page. If we see here by mouse scrolling also, we can see this is the 9th page, like that. See here, 9th page, and this is the 8th page. See here. That means the purpose of GoTo is we can directly jump from one page to another page. If it is, suppose you are in the first page, you want to go to the 100th page, 1000 page, 2000 page also directly. That means if you have a number of pages, for example 2000 pages are there, you are in the first page, you want to go to the 1050 page. Okay, by scrolling mouse means it takes much time, but by using this option GoTo, you can directly jump from one page to another page very easily. Okay, so this is about find, replace and GoTo. Okay, those who are watching first time my channel, please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please subscribe, like it and share it. Thank you so much for watching this video.